And welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Today is Super Sunday, a massive day in the South. We've got two big matches, and the first one will be a day match between the Sunrisers Hyderabad versus the Lucknow Super Giants. Uske baad RCB और CSK का भी match है. I hyped up the Hyderabad game more, and you can tell the biasness there. But obviously, the two very big games. I feel the first game is also some sort of derby because there's a lot of Lucknow players who used to play for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Faiz joining me today. Faiz must be excited for the double header.
बदला लेना है साहब. लास्ट टाइम यहाँ पे आके जीत के गए थे 23 में. मैं पुरन को देखा था मारते हुए, तो बदला तो लेने का है. 24 में ले लिए थे, लेकिन भाई इट्स अ बिग गेम फॉर अस considering the fact RCB से हारे बाद we came back well. Now the consistency has to be there. bowling नहीं है बोल रहे. Hopefully राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम में कल भी प्रूव करेंगे. भाई थोड़ी बहुत उम्मीद है एटलीस्ट कि भाई हमारे बॉलर कुछ ना कुछ कर देना. बट लखनऊ साथ ही साथ देखो, उनका कैप्टन है, उनके जो भी मसले है, शमी वापस आ रहा. So there are, like you said, a lot of heritage over here. So we have to see how this game pans out. But I'm confident with Hyderabad winning this game.
Yeah, man. I always have this feeling, especially when our players come here, they always perform. But now there's like 10 players coming, so there's a bit of nervousness. अब शमी का नाम ये, I think उन्हें पहले मैच में दिखाया कि भाई उसके पास है अभी विकेट टेकिंग एबिलिटी. एंड लखनऊ की बॉलिंग एक्चुअली ठीक दिखी, मगर उनकी जो वीकनेस हमको लगे अगर ऊपर के नहीं चलते उनको प्रॉब्लम हो जाता. मिडिल ऑर्डर अगेन अब्दुल समद इज इन गुड फॉर्म, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उनका मिडिल ऑर्डर थोड़ा शेकी है. ऋषभ पंत का फॉर्म भी बहुत वरी है उन लोगों के लिए. यू सी ओपनिंग द बैटिंग tomorrow.
ऋषभ पंत का ओपनिंग, I mean, personally I'll opposite बोलूंगा हाँ खोल लो भाई, मेरे को क्या करना है, because like it's not looking like it's settling for him. But again देखो लास्ट गेम में रन आउट हो गए थे unfortunate, right? Like हाथ लग के he was stranded. I think Markram knows this ground very well. If I was the LSG manager or something, I would say कि भाई let Markram take the start, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रोल है उनके लिए बनस्पति लेफ्ट राइट कॉम्बिनेशन करने के लिए. अब considering SRH is bowling, maybe they still continue with Rishabh Pant, give him that benefit of doubt also from the last game. But yeah, I still feel like they have big hitters in that squad. Markram, Marsh, Puran भी हमारे को नहीं जानता. So there is a lot of things. There's one more guy who's done well in Jammu and Kashmir. जो हम तो बहुत लंबी रस्सी थी उसको. अब हमारे लिए और ये सारिज का हेरिटेज है कि भाई जो घर वापसी करता उन्हें उसको जरा मार देते बोल के.
वो तो है ना. सनराइजर्स अगर आप देखें जो लास्ट गेम जीते, राइट, वही टेम्पलेट शायद उन लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे. अगर टॉस जीते तो बैटिंग करेंगे एंड दे गोना लुक टू हिट 200 प्लस. एंड इट्स गुड टू सी कि भाई रन्स आ गए अपने प्लेयरों के, ट्रेविस के, अभिषेक के. क्लासिक इतना देर इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ा इस सीजन, तो रन्स आ गए. बट वही है कि विद द बॉल ये विकेट पे अपने बॉलर्स क्या करने वाले. लास्ट टाइम दे बॉल्ड ब्यूटीफुली अगेन दो, लाइक वो विकेट I don't know, actually it's a good wicket to bat on. और ये कैसा रहेगा I'm not sure.
वो गुजरात वाली विकेट नहीं माना.
हाँ.
वो गुजरात में क्या हो गया था उस दिन समझ में नहीं आता. वॉशिंगटन सुंदर हमारे को मारा था, बट ये विकेट पे भाई जैसा आप बोले 200 डिपेंड कर सकते, 250 डिपेंड कर सकते, मार के डिपेंड करना है पहले. वो तो बात है. बट आई थिंक इन कंसिस्टेंसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ बैटिंग में बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज़ आई डोंट वांट के बैट्समैन हल्के पड़ जाए. हमारी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उस पे ही हम कैपिटलाइज करना. अनिकेत है या सलील अरोरा है, आई डोंट नो इफ दे विल कंटिन्यू विद सलील अरोरा, बट शिवांग कुमार एक अच्छा मिल गया हमारे को मिडिल ओवर्स में. आई फील लाइक अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंट विद हिम. बॉलर्स अगर ये दो मैच जो अपने हैं जो घर में होंगे, या मुल्लापुर तो खैर अगेन इट्स अ डिफरेंट सिटी, विल गो नेक्स्ट वन, बट हैदराबाद में फिर एबल टू मेक इट अ फोर्ट्रेस एंड द बॉलर्स आर एबल टू प्रूव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस भाई विल टेक अस ऑल द वे अहेड इन द सीजन. द कॉन्फिडेंस कि किरण भी आ गए ना एंड बैटिंग अपना काम कर दिया. आई थिंक शिवम मावी someone that I hope we find him for like somehow it starts or something. I don't know what's happening, but we need to get some kind of consistency going in the team for that that belief to go ahead in the competition.
Do you see any changes in Sunrisers?
Payne का दिख रहा साहब मेरे को. Like I think Payne might sit this one out considering if it's a flatter wicket.
Is Cars still injured?
Cars might come back. I'm not sure. There's no news yet on Cars. Cummins has gone.
Cummins तो वापस चलेगा.
Scan हो गया.
वो I think
then whenever he come back, I think he'll come and directly play.
17th April का अरे मगर until he gets the clearance
from Cricket Australia. Now he already mentioned this, so we knew this going in. Cars, I think, hopefully might be fit, so maybe that is also a swap that we can see, or they get Shivam Mavi or Saqib Hussain or someone from that.
Saqib Hussain यार भी. अब हम लोग ये मेंटालिटी में रख लूं कि भाई आज रन बहुत ज्यादा होने वाले हैं, तो like I'm not going to be too harsh on the bowlers. I just hope अपने batters दबा के मारे. That's the way to go from there. And Lucknow, I think they will prefer, their batsmen also prefer this kind of wicket. We just need to try and get that top order early. ये जो matchups है, I think Nicholas Puran versus Shivam Kumar will be a very good matchup. Mohammad Shami versus Travis Head and Abhishek will be a good matchup as well. So there are some good matchups. Do you think Harshit Patel will come back into the team?
I mean, last game से तो ऐसा लग रहा है they're going to prefer JD or Nutcut. But वही है कि David Payne का नहीं समझ में आ रहा. Will they continue? I can't say like I'm very confident with it. I can't say like again it's a new league for him. I'm still trying to find where he's going to deliver a winning combination है. But that winning combination you can see there are certain cracks. Like Salil Arora, I still back him. I still continue. He just played 2 games and he's gotten out twice. But there is a lot of we've seen with him positives as well in the domestic season. Changes और तो कुछ ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं. Shivang will start. I think Harsh Dubey will start because of what they did. And again like that is the Travis Sheikh Musaba. That is what we need. If they get the start, 60 to 70% का game हमारे हाथ में रहता.
आपका prediction? नहीं टीम का नहीं पूछूं. प्लेयर टीम का क्यों पूछूं? Player of the match.
Player of the match. I went Hendrik Klaasen last time. This time I'm going to go with Ishan Kishan at home in front of a crowd. Captain Saab will stick it out.
Yeah,
he's probably get good.
Ishan Kishan is the player of the match. We also got a massive game in the night. I mean, in the context of IPL history, this is becoming a bigger game these days because what happened in the last 2 years. We always think El Clasico was Mumbai versus CSK, लेकिन 2 साल चिन्नीस्वामी में
जबरदस्ती गुजारे हो.
हाँ, वो काफी close games हो गए. वो यश दयाल वाला last year भी कोई controversy हुई थी, याद है आपको? हम लोग साथ में देख रहे थे वो मैच. तो वो गेम है RCB versus CSK. Has been like I feel IPL the last time RCB played was last year. It's been actually more than a week now, man.
Yeah, man, 9 days off खेले.
हाँ, मतलब Saturday खेले, अब Sunday खेल रहे हैं. So how are you looking at this game? CSK struggling, man. They just played a game.
Yeah, I think CSK has to pull up the 5 overseas thing. 5 overseas का बोलना पड़ेगा उनको भाई it's allowed नहीं. But jokes aside, obviously. CSK, man, like I think for them this game is going to be more crucial because the last 2 games that they lost, Rajasthan, उसके बाद Punjab, these teams is something that they were looking maybe when they finished the auction that they could probably have beaten them. Given Devon Brevis का ये झटका उन्हें भी नहीं खेलने वाला है 11 तारीख तक. So वहाँ फिर भी वो void है. Now they've tried a new kind of a thing. Chinnaswamy the place where the wicket is flat. We saw that. थोड़ा अगर टॉस जीत के bowling मिल गई उनको, थोड़ा Matt Henry को movement मिला जैसा Jacob Duffy को हम देखे हैं. That could be something that Chennai would want to lash on. And then now that's come to the batting. Sanju Samson के लिए again it's a small ground. He has a good I think record in Chinnaswamy. He can also capitalize. Prashant Veer Karthik. मेरे को लग रहा है this game Chennai try to get the victory. It's like हम champion team को हराए. We still have some kind of.
It will give them the confidence. मतलब ये थोड़ा सा game changer हो सकता है उन लोगों के लिए. अगर ये हारे तो बहुत
अभी Brevis आ जाएगा next game में but बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हो जाएगा.
And अगर it will be possible but it just deflates you. RCB भाई बहुत time हो गया लेकिन देवदत्त पडिक्कल बहुत जबरदस्त फॉर्म में है. रजत पाटीदार अच्छे फॉर्म में. विराट कोहली the king, we saw his interview with Mr. Nags, very fun, and you talked about it like the overseas thing as well. But also bowling up, mentioned Karena, Jacob Duffy replacing Hazelwood well as well. So it looks better than what we might have started. I think where Chennai need to attack is the spinners, and that's where Shivam Dubey, Sarfaraz, इन लोग को मानना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे. But yeah, RCB is a bit better than we probably thought on paper because me and you probably didn't keep them in the top 4. Lekin they look settled against Sunrisers.
Yeah, I mean, again, biasness coming out in that catch, and like like it's like how if I break down that game, they played better in the power play. The bowling Jacob Duffy did, like giving credit. But Sunrisers का ये भी था यार, drop catches भी हुए, and the whole controversy and that. So I think एक और game में दूंगा अपने आप को to understand RCB. But honestly, on that day they played better cricket in certain areas. Devdutt Padikkal came out of script for me, though his domestic form is crazy, but he looked like prime Nicholas Puran. Now for Chennai, they need to find some kind of way from the SRH game to understand what these guys are up to. It is the power play, the win the toss, that movement that they're getting. If they get that and they get the chase me D or something, I think that is the.
So Chennai need to win the toss.
They need to win the toss, like to make sure that they know what is happening. And Sanju again, like he needs to take the charge here along with Ruturaj Gaikwad. That is something that. But again, I'm not saying that RCB is in the good team. I think what we saw against Sunrisers, Virat Kohli, Phil Salt, Bole. But वो 2-3 के बाद रजत पाटीदार, टिम डेविड थोड़ा ऑफ कलर दिखे, and then like कहीं ना कहीं they can still pacify. Bowling में अगर they attack players and stuff, I think CSK has to jaldi adapt to this modern civilization of T20 cricket.
Yeah, and player to watch out for.
Player to watch out for from RCB by like.
For either team.
Either team.
Man of the match, sorry.
Man of the match.
Yeah, man of the match prediction.
I think Sanju Samson. I think Sanju might
Sanju Samson will be the man of the match over there. And Chinnaswamy, it's going to be a cracker day today. Do join us, for all the coverage. RCB versus CSK. We've got Sunrisers versus Lucknow. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button. Thank you guys also for joining. And catch you guys very soon. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye.